Manual milk creamer hand pump Frother Cappuccino Latte coffee foam pitcher with handle, lid, double layer filter screen, stainless steel, 17-ounce capacity, 500 milliliters. Economy and environmental protection. This is a traditional manual way, the simplest and most efficient way, with no need of electricity or batteries. More economical than battery-powered frothers and expensive electric milk frother. Froth Milk Easily. Put the milk into the pitcher, place plunger inside and lid it, then please pump the handle up and down 20 to 30 times within 30 seconds until foam has desired consistency. Capacity 17 ounces, 500 milliliters, overall size 7 3.14 inch 18.8 centimeters. Perfect size for frothing milk for 2 to 3 cups of coffee. Top quality materials. This milk frother is made of 304 stainless steel, which is sturdy and hygienic, and the surface of which is more bright. The inner wall is used stainless steel wire drawing process, so the manual milk frother for coffee are easy to clean, and no scratches appear. Great as gifts, suitable for homemaker and coffee stores, a great gift for your family, friends and coffee lovers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.